certain type of food to see if I can guess it correctly. Can you guys help me? Is that a piece of celery? I love celery. I'm ready for the next piece of food, please. I think that's a piece of carrot. Next, please. Is that a piece of lettuce? Was it a piece of spinach? Yay, I guessed it right. It's an apple. I love apples. Yum. Next, please. What kind of food was that? I don't know that one. Oh, it's a piece of date. I see it. Ha! Next, please. That tastes terrible. What kind of food was that? It's a piece of garlic. I didn't get that one right. But that was fun, wasn't it, boys and girls? Now we get to go outside. Are you ready? Let's go. So here we are. And now we're getting ready to plant our garden. We have tools to plant carrots, the celery, and potatoes. I'm so excited about this. And remember our taste test? We got to see what some of these things tasted like already. The first thing we need to do is prepare the soil. So if the soil is good, then lots of fruits and vegetables will grow in it. But if the soil's not good, then nothing will grow. So that's why it's important to prepare the soil. And Jesus wants us to be good soil so we can have lots of fruits growing from our soil. Before we start planting our seeds, we make sure that we have string and stick and scissors so that we can make straight lines. Look at what Mommy and I did a minute ago. See the straight line? And then we can plant our seeds down here in the dirt. Yeah, it's called a trench, so that you can put your seeds in it. And then you just put a little bit of dirt on it to bury them. And then you pat it down. The plants need to be separated so that they can grow really, really well and have enough room to each one have its own space. Now we bury them so that they can grow. Look at that beautiful potato with the long, long roots. Wow, look at that. Isn't that cool?
Amy, it's time to come in and get cleaned up.
Okay, I'm coming. Auntie Crystal came by so she could teach us more about gardening. Auntie, look over here. I think there's something over here.
These are blueberries, Amy. They're not ready yet, but there's lots of blueberries on this tree. Amy, look what I found over here. And look at these tomatoes that are growing. We have a really great garden out here, Amy.
They look like little bubbles.
Yes, those are so awesome. Look over here, Amy, you have strawberries. They're almost ready. Wow, they look really good. I can't wait to eat one.
Me either.
You even have broccoli growing. Look at these leaves, they look great. Amy, so right now we're looking for things that we can find in our own yard. So we have a rose bush and we're gonna get the rose petals. We are gonna make some rose water. So we just pick them off and get them ready so that we can clean them. I'm just shaking off the extra water. on medium low. We're gonna put this on the stove, but you don't do it without mommy or daddy. We're gonna boil it for about 20 minutes, and whenever it starts boiling, we're going to put a lid on it. Rose water is a great cleanser and helps remove oil and dirt from your skin. It helps clean germs from scars and cuts. The smell of roses helps you to relax and helps you sleep. Rose water not only soothes a sore throat, you can put the petals in salads and desserts, smoothies and syrups. You can even make candied rose petals.
I want to thank Auntie Crystal for all the things that she taught us. It was amazing how much we learned.